list. And as you may know, probably you are aware that most of us who defend you on social media, we are also labeled tribalist. I personally campaigned for President Ruto for 4 years, non-stop. Obviously, I was against President Uhuru. Nobody labeled me tribalist until Rigathi Gachagua was impeached. We have seen you hold rallies in Mombasa, Bungoma, Kakamega, Kajiado, Nairobi, and other parts of the country with great acceptance from Kenyan masses. Why the government, and indeed its handlers, calling you a tribalist? Why do you think they call you a tribalist? And we have seen you in many other regions that do not belong to the Kikuyu.
Thank you, Jerry. That is a narrative by William Ruto to try to demonize me before the people of Kenya and to suppress truth. William Ruto has nothing against me. And the only remaining strategy is to label me a tribalist, to try to demean me before the people of Kenya. Fortunately, it's only William Ruto, his sycophants, and bloggers paid by government who call me a tribalist. I'm the darling of the Kenyan people. As you have rightly said, when I was in Ukambani, everybody, thousands of people from that area wanted to hear from me. When I arrived in Mombasa, in Kilifi, in Malindi, everybody wanted to listen to me. When I went to Masai Land, in Kajiado, in Narok, the Maa people want to listen to Rigathi. When I went to Western Kenya, I was a star guest in Bungoma, in Busia, in Kakamega, in Vihiga. The people of Kenya believe in me and the truth that I speak every day. It's only William Ruto because there's nothing else he can say against me. As you have rightly put it, nobody believes him because when I campaigned for him, he never called me a tribalist. When the people of the mountain Kenya supported him to a man, he never said they are tribal. He has only decided we are tribal because we have rejected his leadership and we have said we are not going to support him. As long as we were supporting him, we were good people and we were very nice people and nationalists. But the minute we decided that he cheated us, he betrayed us, he misused us, he was the wrong choice for us and for the country, he has decided that we are tribal people. But I am never dissuaded from what I believe in. I never lose focus. I'm never distracted. I ignore those things with the content that they deserve. I am very keen to talk to the people of Kenya. I stand for the people of Kenya. When I fought for the Gen Zs, I fought for all the Gen Zs for the people of Kenya. When I oppose over taxation, I do it for the people of Kenya.